Hello guys, how are you? So today's question is container with most water. Okay, this is a question number 11. We will try to do this question by two-pointer approach. Before that, I think you guys are learning each and every day and progressing each and every day. Okay, let's see this question. You are given an array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two end points of ith line are I and 0 and I and height of I. Okay, find two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water container can store. Basically, we are provided with the array, okay, here, and these are the height of a wall, you can say, where by using that wall we have to form a container where we can store the most water. Okay, where we can store the most water. Okay, so here the length will be this, and this will be 1. Like, from here to here it will be 1, from here to here it will be 1, from here to here it will be 1. So like next index it is going, and the length will the length will increase by 1. So here basically that we can find by subtracting the index. But basically what we have to find the this height from where we can find the maximum area. Basically the question is like like where we can find the maximum area. Okay, so I will quickly store this one. Okay, I erased this one. Okay, this is 1, this is 8, this is 6, this is 5, this is 2, 4, again 8, 3 and 7. Okay, now so this length, if you see, this length I can find wherever my pointers will be there, that we can subtract and we can find the length. So we have to find the this height so that our area will be maximum. Okay, our area will be maximum. So again I am going to do this question by two-pointer approach. Two-pointer. Okay, the time complexity is O of n. So time complexity is O of n, and by two-pointer approach we are going to do. Okay, so what is my approach here is take two pointers. One pointer I am keeping here and another pointer I am keeping here. Let's do it like this. One here and another one here at starting and ending. Pointer 1, pointer 2, or pointer right or left. Okay, right and left, yes. So now at this point of time, what will be our maximum area where I can store the water? So I will say that this will be the maximum area we can store water, which means the minimum of these two pointer, that will be my height. Minimum of these two pointer this one and this one will be my height at this situation, in this scenario, you can say. Now but I can see that 7 sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 minus 1, so 7 into 1, that is again the area is not maximum. So I'll check. So we have to find like that only, where we can find the maximum area. So now in this situation, if I move this pointer to the another one, if I move this pointer to another one, then we can say that now next area, the maximum area I will get is this one, right? Where I can store the water, right? So wherever the minimum will be there, which side ever we will face the minimum, that side we will move. Okay, let's suppose this is minimum among these two here in P2 and the PL. Now PL is here and PR is here only. So now in these two, this is minimum. This is minimum. So I will go to the next. Why I will not go next? Because let's suppose if I am taking this pointer to another one here, I am taking two pointer to another one. Okay. Can I say that? Can I say that? Uh, can I say that the area will be more than this one? No, because we are limited to the minimum of these two pointer. Minimum. So it cannot be more than that. So whichever is minimum, we will try to move next pointer. That pointer I will try to take to the next node where so that in search of the greater number. Let's suppose here I'll have hope like next I may get which is greater number, which will be greater than this or this, so that area can be maximum. But let's suppose if this here I get something like this till this height also. Let's suppose I'm getting this height, then also area will be same. No, like height will be same and area will be less because here it decreased by 1. This decreased by 1. Got it? I think you guys are clear with this concept. So which side we will find the minimum, we will move that pointer to the next element. That's all. So again, because the wherever we are bounded to the minimum of the two pointers. That's why we will not take the maximum. We will not move the maximum. We will take the minimum only, because again, if we find, let's suppose here, if we find greater than this one here, uh, yeah, let's suppose I am finding something greater than this one, like this height, okay. There are two possibility, either I will get lesser or else greater. So if I am getting lesser means again the area will be even less. There is no point to think only. So what if I am getting greater than this one, the previous one, greater than this one here. So again, can we say that, we cannot extend this limit. The area will not be more than that. You cannot store water like this. Water you will not store like this, right? Water will be till the minimum of these two level, minimum of these two height. The level will be maintained like that. Water will not be stored like this. Okay. So wherever we are finding the minimum, that side we will move to the next element. That's all. That is the concept here. Nothing else. Okay. I hope this concept is clear. Okay. So quickly do coding part of this question. Okay. So here the array is given. Just 1 minute. Okay. So we have to take two pointer, that is int left is equal to 0, int right is equal to arr dot length minus 1. Okay, and max area is equal to, I initially keep it as 0 anything. Okay, now I'll do it by using while loop. While left is lesser than right. Okay, here. So now in this first I will note down the area. Okay, int area is equal to, we have to take the minimum of this, okay, the left pointer and right pointer. Why I told you, I have explained already. Math.min of here of comma. Okay, so this is the breadth and this is the height, so this will be the area. Okay, if here of right is smaller than here of left, so whichever is smaller we have to uh, take that to the next element, take that pointer to the next element. So here right is minimum, so what we will do, right is this side, so we will decrease this, minus minus, yeah, else left plus plus. Okay, and here what we will do is we will keep the track of maximum area. Max area is equal to math dot max of max area comma area. Cool. Okay, so here we are keeping the maximum always. Okay, here whenever the area is changing, so out of that we are keeping the whichever is the maximum that we are keeping all the time. Okay, now at last we will return the, what is return type, internally, yeah, so we will return the maximum. Max area. I just hope there is no typo. Let's run this code. Yeah, accepted. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it accepted. Okay, so this is the code. Just look at this code, and I hope this question is clear. And again, I'll meet you in the next video with another question. By the time, take care. See you.